Hello, I'm Jim Tartine from Magnum Research in Minneapolis and Pillager, Minnesota, and I'm here today to talk about the Magnum Research Desert Eagle and the new products that we have for 2016. Hello, this is our new Desert Eagle model L5. This is a alloy frame machined from a forging, a highly skeletonized barrel with integrated muzzle brake, and it's available in 357 only. The unique part about this gun, it weighs 50 ounces, so that makes it 2 full pounds lighter than an all-steel 6-inch Desert Eagle. This is our model L6, which is also new for 2016. The difference between this gun and the original Desert Eagle is a machined alloy frame with a hard coat black anodizing and a Picatinny rail. It's got a stainless steel barrel and slide upper, and this gun weighs 14 ounces less than the all-steel Desert Eagle, and we started shipping it now. This is our new all-stainless steel Desert Eagle for 2016. It features a solid stainless frame, barrel, and slide, and a full Picatinny rail on the bottom. It's available in 357, 44 mag, and 50 AE, and it also is shipping now.